Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to write a loan interest solver using Python programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers to my channel. We are gradually increasing in terms of by numbers. I also thankful for your help and support, for your comments, likes, shares. And then if you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please click the like button, click the notification bell, select all so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video, and don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by subscribing. So thank you very much. So let's get started. So we have here, I'm using pycharm Community Edition 2020.3. It is free to download in their website. pycharm is a product of JetBrains, so it is very good in Python development. Actually guys, you can use any types of text editor in Python, so I preferably used pycharm for my Python development. Sometimes I'm also use visual code. So here comments, here in Python we are using sharp for comments. So we have here the title, loan interest solver, new line. So here we are three inputs: principal, time, and rate. Take note guys that I'm using float. So because input normally in Python it will accept string, so float for data type for principal amount, number of year, okay, number of year, and in percentage, no, inter percentage rate. So we have here solve underscore interest, open and close parentheses, principal, multiply by time, and rate, divide by 100. So we have here the display. The interest is 0.2% solve underscore interest, and the program. So let us try to run the program. Right click, run. So let's say the inter-principal amount in Philippine peso, we have here 25,000. How many years? Let's say 2 years. Rate per percentage rate 10%. So for 2 years we have the interest of 5,000. So for every year we have 2,500 pesos, no, for the interest. Let us run again. Let's say we have a loan of 1,575.34. number of years, let's say 2.5, 2 years in the up. Rate per month, year 5%. So we have here 196.92, okay, pesos, 196 pesos and 92 cents, and the program. So this is the end of our tutorial video guys. I hope that you learned something new in how to create a loan interest solver using Python. I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete and free program listing in my website. So thank you so much for watching guys. Please like, share, and don't forget to support my channel by subscribing. Thank you. This is your friend Jake saying see you in the next video tutorial guys. Bye bye for now.